Welcome everybody to my second module on relation. Here I am going to discuss about the concept of relation, then I will discuss about function. Now in this class, in my previous class I talked about the Cartesian product. Here in relation, what does relation mean? Relation means if you are given two sets A and B, then the subset of the Cartesian product A cross B is a relation. That means, let's see what is A cross B. It is, as discussed in my previous module, A cross B is a Cartesian product which includes all these ordered pairs. Now, any subset of this A cross B is known as it will be a relation. Now, then what will be the relation? It will be it can be 1 4 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4. This is a relation. R is a subset of A cross B. So that means we can call a relation is a collection of the ordered pairs. That means it is a set or a collection of the ordered pairs. It can be any collection. So R is the can be any collection of the ordered pairs in A cross B. Okay, so here we can see R is this is one set of ordered pairs. It can be any set. You can take 1 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, or you can take all the ordered pairs also. So this is a relation. Now what is the domain? Domain is the first element of the ordered pairs. Okay, in this relation, the first element of the ordered pairs is known as the domain. That means it is a set of all the inputs, you can say. And range, it is the second element of the ordered pairs. So that means it tells about the output. So here in this particular problem, which are the domain? That is 1, 2 and 3. Domain is 1, 2, 3 are the domain, and range is 4, 5, again 4. These are the range. So with this is just an introduction to relation. I am not going into detail because I want to start the functions today. Now what is a function? Function is a type of relation, but in case of a function there are certain rules. In relation we can have for one particular input there can be two different output, but in function one or many input will have only one output. So I'll discuss the difference between relation and function in more detail, but for now the difference between relation and function is that relation can have multiple outputs for one input. That means 1, 3. It is 1 pair 1 4. That means one input is having two outputs, which is not possible in case of a function. So that means this is not a function. Okay. Now this is the main difference between relation and functions. So in my next module, I'll continue in detail with functions. Thank you.